Dear viewers, in this video we will learn how to create Shiba Inu Coin Cloud Mining website. Yes, dear visitor, the website you can see now, we will create this website ourselves step by step very easily. Now I will introduce you to the important features and functionality of the website. This is because the Shiba Inu Coin Cloud Mining website, in this case, users must first submit their Shiba Inu coin address here and log in to the account. Wow, dear visitor, you can see we successfully joined Shiba Inu coin mining. Here we can see the dashboard of a normal user's account. And we can see here our Shiba Inu coin automatic mining. Also, users can easily earn some extra income by sharing referral links. And here we can see all the transaction history. We can make deposits very easily. For this we need to submit the deposit amount here. Also we can withdraw bit easily. For that we have to submit withdrawal amount here. We can see the Shiba Inu coin withdrawal limitations here. We can easily see our referral lists. Then we can easily log out the account for any reason. Dear visitor, we are getting admin panel to control this website. We can manage all the features and functionalities of the website through the admin panel. I will discuss with you about admin panel step by step in this video. So let's go, dear visitors. Now we will learn how to create Shiba Inu Coin Cloud Mining website very easily. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create Shiba Inu coin website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also you get source code update version for lifetime and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you if you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish Shiba Inu coin website online. You can purchase high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.1 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will convert this folder into zip file. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we need to add permissions to some files. So now we will learn how to add permissions to files. For this you have to follow this video completely step by step. Now we need to connect the database to the website. So now we will learn how to create database in hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect hosting panel database information to website. For this, please follow this video completely step by step. Now we need to submit admin login information. Then we have to click on Install Now button. Now we have to do the purchase verification. For this we have to submit the purchase information here. Then we have to click on Activate Now button. Our source code is completely installed complete. Now our website is completely ready. Now we need to delete the install folder. So now let's log in to the admin panel. Now I will discuss with you the functionality and features of admin panel step by step. First I will discuss with you the account section. We can easily see the account list of all users of the website. Also we can see all account details. Here we can see all the transaction history and account history of a user. And we can deactivate or ban any user account if we wish. We can see the list of all active accounts. Also we can see the ban account list and referral account list. We can manage the deposit section very easily. Here we can see all the deposit history and manage it very easily. Also we can see all the withdrawal lists. And we can see all the referral lists. Here we can basically see the bonuses of the user's referrals. We can easily see the mining history and can easily manage the mining section. We can add automatic payment gateways to the website. For this we have to submit here the information to the Now Payment Gateway. For this you must create an account in No Payments, then you can easily submit the account information. Then we can see all the subscriber lists of the website. Now I will discuss with you the general settings section. Here we can change the website title. And we can change the time zone of the website. Also we can easily change the website color. Also we can change the various balance transaction history of the website according to your needs. Also we can manage the cron job section very easily. We can configure the website systems. We are getting some important features for system configuration of the website. Enable and disable these features as per your requirement. We can easily change the website logo and favicon. For this we need to upload logo and favicon here. Now we will learn how to customize website plugin extensions. Now we will use Google CAPTCHA for website security. For this we need to connect Google CAPTCHA to the website. So now I will teach you how to add Google CAPTCHA to website. For this you have to follow this video completely step by step. We can add live chat to the website if we wish. Don't worry, I am teaching you how to add live to website. For this we need to create a talk.to account. We can create accounts for free. Now we will learn how to add live chat to website. For this, please follow this video completely. You can set up other plugins in the same way. We can add any multiple languages we want to the website. For this, we need to submit our required language information here. Also, we can easily translate all languages step by step. We can do search engine optimization on the website very easily. For this, we need to submit proper SEO information step by step here. We can manage the notification section very easily. We can easily customize and edit global templates. Now we will customize the email section of the website we must use with the SMTP server website. For this, we need to submit SMTP information here. Now we will learn how to create mail server in hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect this mail server information to the website. For this, you must follow this video completely step by step. Also, we can edit all notification templates step by step. Now we will go to the Manage Templates section. Here we can see a homepage design for now, and in the future we will get many more homepage designs. Also, we can create multiple pages on the website as per our requirement. And we can customize these page sections step by step. You can customize the page sections according to your needs. We can edit or customize home page step by step. For this, we will go to Manage section. Because here we are getting the required features and functionalities to edit the home page, you can easily change and customize the home page design using these features and functionality sections. Also, we are getting many more important features functionality to manage the admin panel. In this video, we learn how to create a Shiba Inu coin cloud mining website. You can easily earn huge amount of currency by Shiba Inu coin cloud mining by creating a website like this. If you have any questions about this video, please comment or contact us directly via email and WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching this full video. If you are a new viewer of our YouTube channel, then make sure to subscribe the channel to watch the next video.